Ahoy there, Cranky! Where have you been? Hurry up! Whoops. I can't take any more!
That's what friends are for.
Well, the mail must arrive on time.
Just get someone to put me out of the haystack.
What is that?
Oh, it's a floating basket with people in it. Whatever will they dream up next?
We're out of hot air. Ah! What's happening?
Dingy fried?
Whoa, help! Whoa!
Bitter cold.
I tried my hardest. Whoa. Help! My wheels are wobbling. You made it.
Duck should play with other ducks, 'cause he's no good at pulling trucks. Quack, 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 quack. Hold back. How dare he say will do? How dare he say will do? Give them back!
Oliver Hazard cleared his signal box.
Help! Bust my buffers. The earth's crumbling.
Not now, Percy.
Yes, sir. Cinders and ashes.
Worry wheels.
Fussy funnel. Oh, thank you.
To the quarry. Do it right. Don't interfere. Out of my way. Look out!
Help! We'll pick up the freight cars. Father, you have to be brave to help me. I'm on my way to pick up the brass band.
You useless little engines are always in the way.
Please, sir. I'm stuck.
Tune up your tuba.
That's not music. Thank you.
My boiler's grumbling.
Diesel engines don't complain. Hurry up, Henry!
No.
Silly. Really?
Pah.
Very important work. Thank you, sir. That slimy old tub. Oh. But I'm too thirsty to feel useful. But refreshment stands don't live in cakes. I'll be proud to, sir.
Root toot toe, we wanna go. The fruit's going off 'cause you're too slow. Chug chuff, you tug and huff, but you're so rusty you can't even puff.
Trucks should do as they are told.
You can't catch us. Whee!
Oh, Arthur. Please, sir, it's my fault. Just like friendships. I'm sorry. Please, sir.
There's no monster. There is two. There is not. Is two. Is not. Is two.
Splendid outfit, sir. For sureties.
It's not a monster, it's us.
Oh, hey!
You know the mountains better than any engines. These lines are too bumpy and uneven.
No! Phew! What's wrong? We'll say sorry to him.
Aye, but well done.
I'm a great Western engine. Oh, shiver my boiler! That could have been a little smoother.
Brr.
Hurry up, sir.
And a fussy one, too.
P.U.
Oh, he's falling in the water.
Let's go, Duncan.
Look out! Slow down, Whistle Rusty. I can't. Whoa!
Hurry up.
Ahoy, matey!
Welcome, Murdoch. Please, don't interfere.
Hello.
No!
Vegetables?
Stop!
It's not my fault. A vegetable bus? Hey, that's not such a bad idea.
But duty calls. Pegasus? I'm sorry, sir.
Engine trouble.
Where's Scarloey?
I want to get out. There's a Topham hat.
Decorations will you have, Gordon? Silly little engines.
I can't see.
Oh, pop.
Steaming pistons. Who's that?
Who cares? Why didn't I listen? I must have a leaky tank. Stuff and nonsense. Oh, thank you, Thomas. Help, Whistle Duncan. I'm going to fall.
Thank you, sir.
A children race with eggs on spoons. I won! My very own medal. Thank you.